This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. Located in the beautiful rolling hills of Hilltop Point Community. Photos are staged and of model home for display/layout purposes only. Actual home is under construction and selections will vary based on spec designs for the specific home site. This is the popular Inland Homes 404D floor plan with coastal elevation, featuring architectural embellishments that resemble coastal Florida. This stunning single-story 4 bedrooms, 3 baths and optimizes over 2,200 square feet of living space with an open concept layout. As you enter this home, notice the attention to detail, from the amazing foyer to the nicely sized 2 bedrooms and bath tucked into the front of the home. Home layout is a split floor plan with the owner's retreat in the rear of the home for privacy. Continuing through the foyer, another guest bedroom and bathroom is located just off the entry. Upon entering great room, you will be speechless with the wow factor of the 14 vaulted ceiling and abundant natural light from the windows and sliders located off of the dining area. The kitchen is truly the heart of the home and overlooks the great room. This kitchen features a nice sized island with built-in sink and Whirlpool dishwasher. The well-appointed kitchen has 42 crown molding topped upper cabinets, soft close cabinets and drawers with quartz countertops. Included in the kitchen are Whirlpool appliances, built-in microwave and range with stainless hood exhaust fan to the outside of the home. Besides the other amazing features, Inland has added the highly requested pocket office and pet room package next to kitchen and oversized walk-in pantry. Right off the kitchen is the owner's suite with dual sinks, vanity area, walk-in shower, modern garden tub and well-sized closet. Other features of the home are the 9 feet 4 inches ceilings throughout as well as full 8 interior and exterior doors, 17 by 17 tile throughout the main area, carpet in the bedrooms, 4 lights per room and prewire for a ceiling fan in all bedrooms as well as laundry tub preplumb in the garage. The garage door has been extended by an additional foot in height and width over standard garage doors. This home is located in the wonderful Dade City area that has the small town feel but close to all major shopping, restaurants and entertainment as well as quick commute to Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, beaches, and multiple international airports. Visit the Inland Homes model today and make this home yours. Inland Homes is a locally owned and operated builder since 1988. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Atari.